Hi guys, this is Valentino, or Dr. No as is the channel's name. I'm a physicist. I have a PhD in nuclear physics actually. I have been teaching for kind of like all my life, all my professional life at least. I was a teaching assistant in the United States while I was a graduate student. Then I also taught college as a visiting professor. I also taught physics in high school, etc. I came across the A levels last year and I kind of liked them. And my students told me that my teaching style is quite good. So you can take their word for that. And anyway, since I have the notes for the Edexcel International A-Levels, I decided to make these videos and hopefully people can find some help from them. I've never shot videos, so I have no experience with videos. So you have to suffer along, I guess, until I learn how to make the best videos possible. You can't see my face now because all I'm using is my iPad, so we'll take it from here and see how it goes. In the future, I might set up Discord servers where people can come and chat with me, or maybe set up private meetings, etc. So we'll see how this goes, and then we can go from there. So just a few words about the Edexcel International A-Levels. So those are used for university applications in the UK mostly, where they come from as well. But I had students use them to get into university in the United States, in the Netherlands, as far as I know. And I have a feeling that the same exam results can be used to enter Hong Kong universities and maybe Singapore. I'm not sure about that. I will have to check. But anyway, so in this series of videos, I will start with, since this is the Edexcel International A-Levels. And by the way, I have, in the future, I can look into other specs as well. It's just that the only experience I have so far is with the Edexcel International A-Levels. So my teaching style is mostly taking notes. So guys, please ride along. I have to warn you that my handwriting is horrible. I will do my best to do a good handwriting. And we'll start with Unit 4. So this is just an introductory video. Oh, and before I stop this video, this is just a short video for introduction. I will try to share online resources, but the spec is online. You can find it here. I'm gonna share this URL later in the video. So you can go through this spec and see. So for example, they have a Unit 4, 5, and 6. By the way, I'm gonna make videos for Unit 1, 2, and 3, the AS level physics. It will take some time, but I will get them eventually. Anyway, so you can read what you should know according to the Edexcel examiner. So for example, if we go to Unit 4, further mechanics, let's try to scroll, sorry. Maybe it's not a good idea because maybe this makes people dizzy. So page 27, let's see. I passed it, sorry. Okay, so for Unit 4, for example, it's called Further Mechanics, Fields and Particles. It's a compulsory unit. So they give you a description about what this unit is about, what the practical skills, what practical skills you need to learn to cover this unit. They talk a little bit about what the assessment is like. Takes 1 hour and 45 minutes out of 90 marks. Candidates must answer all questions, etc. And then they give a brief description of all the topics that students need to know. So, for example, 81 candidates will be assessed on their ability to understand how to use the equation of impulse, F times delta T is delta P, which is also Newton's second law of motion. They list all the core practicals. So for example, core practical 9, investigate the relationship between the force exerted on an object and its change in momentum, etc. Then if you go to part 4.4, electric and magnetic fields. For example, you can read here that you need to be able to use V is Q over 4 pi epsilon naught R for a radial electric field. This is something we will talk about, etc. So yeah, you can read about all the other units here. So this is it for the introductory video. We will kick this off with unit 4 and see how it goes.